I don't think people understand the real cost of upgrading GPUs every generation. Let's break it down. So, you've got the latest game and your current GPU isn't cutting it. But hold on, upgrading every generation? Let's think this through. New GPUs come with sky-high prices, and unless there's a major tech leap, like ray tracing in Nvidia's 20 series or AMD's 6000 series, most upgrades are just small bumps in performance. Tech companies love to hype up those incremental improvements, but are you really getting your money's worth? Instead of upgrading every year, wait for those groundbreaking changes. Save your money for when the tech truly advances and you'll get way more bang for your buck. Remember, patience is key. Your wallet will thank you. So before you rush to buy that shiny new GPU, ask yourself, is it a game changer or just another minor upgrade? Make smart choices, gamers. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tech tips.